In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create documents in DocuSign. By the end, you'll know how to prepare a document for e-signature, place the right fields, and send it confidently. First, from your DocuSign dashboard, start a new envelope. Think of an envelope as the digital package that holds everything you're sending, your documents, your recipients, and your instructions. Click Start, then choose Send an envelope. This opens the workspace where you'll add files and set up who needs to sign. Next, upload your documents. Click Upload, then select the files from your computer or pull them in from cloud storage like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive. Make sure the file order is correct, especially if you're sending multiple pages or attachments that need to be read in sequence. Now add your recipients. Type the name and email address for each person who needs to sign or receive a copy. Double-check spellings to avoid bounce backs. If more than one person is involved, make sure each signer is listed separately, so DocuSign knows where to route the document. Add a clear email subject and a short message. This is what your recipients will see in their inbox, so give them context, what the document is and whether any deadlines apply. A concise, friendly note helps speed up responses. Quick note before we keep going. You'll find the official link to DocuSign. Whether you're signing in on the web or downloading the app, right at the top of the description for easy access. Click next to open the document editor. This is where you place fields. From the left panel, drag and drop signature, signer name, date signed, and text fields onto the page exactly where they belong. Place the signature where the person must sign. Add date signed near it for clarity, and use text fields for items like titles or initials where needed. Align fields neatly and make sure each one is assigned to the correct recipient. When everything looks right, preview the document to confirm field placement and recipients. Then click Send to distribute the envelope. If this is a format you'll reuse, such as a standard agreement, you can choose Save as template to store the layout, fields, and recipient roles for next time, which saves a lot of setup effort. If you already have a template, head to the templates page, click Use on the one you want, add your recipients, and send. It's perfect for repeat processes. That's it for creating a document in DocuSign. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.